Hello everyone, I'm Anna from KNDMAX. KNDMAX is your ideal manufacturer of wood chipper, log splitter, and mini dumper. Today, let me introduce our gas line wood chipper. This is a large size feeding bucket. The engine horsepower is 15. You can choose any brand engines as you like. This is a 316 degrees rotary discharge chute and adjustable deflector. This is a support frame. This wood chipper can fit UTV and ATV with the coupler hitch. This is belt cover. You can use emergency stop lever to stop machine when in any emergency. The cutting method is drum. Together with KNDMAX, we build the future.